Howdy everybody, welcome to another edition of That's Railroading, where we bring the railroad to you. And we do love doing it. Got a little minor repair job to take care of here today. Okay, that's number 22 locomotive down there. I brought it down and set it here in the track 2, our runaround track. Yesterday they had fire suppression people come in and go over the fire suppression system on all 3 of our locomotives. Anyway, that's track 2. We had a little problem there a couple days ago. Had a car derail way down there. We got it on, but we got a problem here to take care of today. This derailment had nothing to do with this. This goes into our 3rd track, track 3. It's a storage track only. Dead ends down there, and there's we store cars in there that need repaired, or currently they have the cars for the 2nd train in there, and just a couple out here. One of those, that Jack's car in front of us is the one that derailed. It's got a really boogered up door, so I don't know why they left it down there, but that's where it is. But we can move it. But this switch here goes into the 3rd track, and but somebody hit it the other day. No, this is our repair job. Repair this foot latch. Did a number on it, didn't they? Anyway, somebody had hit it in the past and cracked this. That's been like that for years and years and years. Way back, I hit this. I was turning around here. I had my big high rail truck down here, and I was turning around, and I caught this with my front high rail gear. I didn't do any damage because I went real slow, and I just caught it. But I said I didn't do any damage at that time. But I ended up putting 2 cones out here, 2 orange cones, way back, and as you can see, they've disappeared since then. So anyway, I don't know who hit it. I don't know who cracked that. But again, like I said, that's been like that for years. And if this was a switch that we used an awful lot, I probably would have changed that by now. This is a Racor 36D switch stand. Okay, so we're gonna do this. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get. There we go. That come out of there pretty easy, didn't it? That's junk. That's history. It's all broke up. Well, the repair one that I got, it's froze up. So we're gonna go up to the shop and get that unfroze, and then we'll get this back in, spike her down. Okay. Now this is my replacement part, and it's a little bit froze. So we're going to try to loosen it up here. This Crowley oil is good stuff. See if we can get it loosened up. Little persuasion maybe. Well, I got it there. Let's see if we can get it back. We'll get it. Ah. How about that? Looks a little better. Still not perfect. Need to go a little bit more. Okay. Get it cleaned up here a little bit first. That's pretty clean in there. Needs a little oil on them slide plates. Okay. All right. Wow. It's going in hard. Okay. That's as far as it's going to go with this. Wonderful. Okay. Just the short spike in here. These holes. Like a gunpowder. Works really, really well. Not as well as spike fast, which is a resin. We don't have any spike fast. Okay. A little bit hard to keep that straight. I don't know if I can do this or not. A little bit hard. Okay. Okay, wonderful. We're moving right along. Just with a bigger hammer. There we go. Got it now. Need a little more weight. Okay, wonderful. Okay, great job. Just with a bigger hammer. There we go. Got it now. Need a little more weight. Okay, wonderful. Okay, great job.